What do we do? Grab.
Wait lang. Hindi ko lang hindi. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. There we go.
Can crouch.
Yeah. 13. 15. Spray? No, wala yung spray. Ito.
It's down there. Good luck getting it.
Kumabot? Hindi mabot? Kumabot.
That's my fault, huh? Kailangan ba yan?
Oo.
Oh. Wait. Wait.
All?
Do we restart?
Yes. Dito na kami sa labas.
Kunin mo yan, ah.
I can't.
Kailangan natin yan, Lens.
Kailangan.
Can't get it.
Oh, shit.
Oh, there it is.
Yung mangyayari sa atin kung hindi natin nakuha yan.
I got it.
Mama?
Yes.
Asan na?
Hey. What are we doing?
Research, guys. Yay!
Give us your money.
So, may quota tayo ng $5. Yeah.
Dot order tayo.
What you mean? Or
Yes.
Saan?
Pakuha ng coffee, ng baso. Lalagay dito.
Baka mabaho lang siya.
No.
Ate, linis na po. Ligo.
Here you go. I will clean you with my broom. Drink your coffee.
Nahulog
Bang.
kayo.
Heath. Oh. Nice touch. Ayan.
Yeah, put me in dock. I'm ready. I want to be a baguette. Croissant.
Hey.
Yay! Sobra-sobra ang konta natin. Let's dito.
Actually, pwede magbato. Wait, I make my broom. Oh, what are we doing here? Oh, yung ano? Yung spray na iwan sa labas.
Okay lang yan, okay lang.
Okay. What did I do? Nothing.
Hey there.
Phone
Weapon?
machine.
You guys did pretty
Weapons.
well on your first day. You're really.
AK.
I for sure thought you were one of those people that mess up the machines and break.
Wait, nasa na pera natin? Yung 60 sa top, right?
Ito, 29.
Crazy.
Oh, you.
Oh, no. Ito.
Some guy shoved a ton of plastic cups in the oven.
Gusto mo bumili ng broom?
The mess.
Step.
Hindi, huwag na lang, 5 na lang bilhin mo. Ipag na lang ng mat.
Hey, at least you're one of us.
5?
Oh, and
Oh, 5.
while we're on that topic,
Okay.
sometimes
Check ko lang pa pera natin.
get rowdy. Occasionally,
So, Les, ito trabaho mo.
me personally,
What?
Pambubugbog ka lang customer.
Let's go!
something.
I'm
Kung
ready.
masama lang sila, kung masama lang.
Oh, okay.
Everyone really gets on the
Just tapon mo sila sa basura.
and that can really affect how long
Really?
you wait on an order. Best way to deal with it is to just whack them away. You can use the broom and the staff room to hit them. You should be able to find one on shelves. Make sure you're
Ben!
Put it down.
Ben!
And since insurance isn't included in the contract, you guys will be paying for any medical bills. Once you broom those disturbances away, the customer should be happy again. So, on that.
Tara na, go na. Go na, go na.
Now, I'm not telling you to prioritize certain customers, but we do have regulars that come.
You wanna go? Huh?
Hoy, 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 wag, wag, wag.
Oo. Wala pa.
Small French.
Small French?
Judging their order. Just make sure you do the best and serve them, okay? We don't want any customers now, do we?
Ikaw mag-take ng order, sis.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
ako.
okay. Nag-serve. Oh, okay. Yun, I don't know. I mean like this. It's French. Large. Is that milk? Is that? I don't know what you want. 1K. Oh.
Ayun na, Lex, yun na, yun na.
Go, go, go.
You wanna go?
Mali na gawa ko!
Ha? Ata, gawin mo na lang to second order. Ayan.
I'm gonna die. Is that bad? I died.
Huwag ka mamatay.
I died.
Asan siya?
Oh,
Ako yung pinapatay. Daskete. Gumagawa lang ako
Mabawasan pera.
Where do we
Mabawasan pera natin, tapos di tayo makakaabot.
Where do we put these guys?
Yung basura dyan sa gilid ng radyo.
Basura. That's
Okay na ba yung one step?
Hindi pa. Wait.
Ah,
Okay.
ang basura ba to?
Ay, bago!
Why?
Uy!
Oh, lock it up. Hi guys, welcome to my Minecraft channel. Today we're opening a lucky block.
No, Lucky Blocks! Miss ko na yun!
In the first lucky block.
Remember the Lucky Block challenges, bro?
Yes. Our first lucky block is a
Ah!
bazooka.
Oh, yung order!
Oh yeah, your order.
May two na ba?
Ewan ko.
Large French?
Yes, large
Yeah,
French.
one to eh.
Then, ano yun? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Is that cookies? Oh.
Oh no! Ano yan, Stephanie?
Hindi, tatapon. Tatapon lang yan. Don't worry.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh no! Mag-aantay na naman ng milk. Chocolate.
Small French.
Ito yung third order.
Yung two muna. Okay, 3 yan. Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yung two yung ginagawa ko, ha?
Ouch. This kinda hurt. Trash ba to? I don't know. Where's the trash? Where are you putting? Are you an enemy? You wanna go, punk?
Yun yung 3 ah.
Gabi na. Here's a
Yes, the chocolate.
Just gonna see if there's someone. Hello, Cassie. He wants a cinnamon roll, strawberry, cinnamon large, like strawberry cake plus strawberries toppings, baguette with cake, and chocolate with marshmallow.
Asan yung milk dito?
Oh.
May kumuha ng milk sa inyo?
Yes, nilagay ko dito sa post.
Ito na yung
What?
4. Yan na yung 4 oh.
My bad.
5 then strawberry. Gawin niyo na yung 5.
Oh. 5.
Hay nako, Lex.
Ah, yun.
Napagalitan ka ni manager.
5 ka na.
Wait, what? I don't understand.
Nagpipindot ka dito, Lex!
No. Large. Oh, meron na. Meron.
Meron na, yes.
How many can I grab?
1.
Oo nga pala. Mamaya. Yay. Tip.
Silipin mo ngayong quota natin, Chip.
Where's the quota?
Yung ano?
Here? Quota, we need $4 more. $4 more. Dollars.
Saan sa food?
One.
Ganda yan.
Where's the food, Stephanie?
Pang 5?
Five.
Wala pa.
Where's the
Siling
food?
ko, cake. Wala, di ka pwede magtrabaho, Lex.
Matla kasi.
Tapos may ano na siya, OJT eh.
Saka OJT ka na. Learn from your senpai.
Kaya nga, basura lang ginagawa ko kay Kailan. Where do you put the trash? Ito yung basura ko.
Wala na.
Diyan mo lang yan.
Ayun, buddy. His name is Teddy.
Yung 12 lang yung floor mo, Les.
What?
Bili na ako ng pipe, ah.
Still alive,
No.
I see.
Bili na ako ng pipe.
People die here. Just like a metaphor.
His name is
Bili na ako ng pipe, Steph.
I didn't actually think you were
Body ko. Oo, sige, bili ka.
Ito na, oh.
Oh my god, they're
Parang manika eh.
They're kissing. Oh my god.
No, mayahi. Ito, Stephanie, oh, yung pipe.
Bigyan mo kay Les. Paano yun eh?
Pipe.
Bagong weapon.
Bazooka daw. Okay.
Grade
Okay, Les.
Wala na
From 9
tayong
to
pera.
5, yung AC, tsaka yung computer, itong computer, malfunction. Kailangan natin mag-puzzle para dyan.
Okay.
Includes math, literal math.
Okay. Where's the AC? Where's the AC?
Pag dulo dito sa ilan hangganan.
Oh, okay.
What is your order, kind sir?
Dito na ako.
Mark, mama. Small bread. Milk.
Rain. Ay, wala si Rain. Chesta, pangit ba talaga si Nekmata?
Yeah.
Really?
Unfortunate.
Okay. May iwan na ako sa kanya.
Oh.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Why?
Nag-ewan yung Roblox ko.
Oh.
Oh, ayan na. Aircon, please.
The heck, Among Us?
So hot to. It's so hot. Sorry, guys.
So hot.
Kasi meron ng one. Wag kang gumalaw, Les. Wag kang gumalaw.
Oh.
Oo nga, Les, wag kang gumalaw.
Ginawan.
Ako na. Okay. So, please.
That was my bad. The heck, may ganun pala. Taking the order. He wants Roblox
Oh.
room. Building small chocolate. Kiss plus egg. What the heck? Cake,
Kiss
cookie.
plus egg.
I don't know this.
One pasta, please.
Can...
I mean, that does work.
What? Nawala yung mga basura.
Mm.
Oh, you put it there. Okay.
A lot.
This is number 6.
Wait, nag-Roblox ko.
Wait. Huh?
Computer? Nag-Roblox ko. Wait.
Oh.
Stephanie, pagawa mo na.
Silly. Folk dress dessert. Oh, sorry. Cinnamon drink small chocolate. Oh, bakit? How do you... Ah, okay.
I'm back.
I'm back.
Anong ano na, Stephanie?
3.
Yung. Yung. May mga ano ng
May
hilo.
3.
May mga...
3 na yung nandiyan, Stephanie. Sa lalagyan na.
Heck.
Yan.
Are you violent? No, okay.
Also, meron kang makikitang cat girl na purple sa palace.
Nadulas ako.
Makikita kang cat girl na kulay purple. Makikita mo ganan.
Okay.
Tapos yung dalawang bintana dito sa harap. Nangyari yun, nakawin niya yung pera natin. Tapos kailangan mo siyang i-spray ng tubig.
Ah.
May 4 wala pa.
Wala pa.
May order.
Yes, I would like
You would like?
one what the heck?
Parang ikaw yung mapipili pa lang. Na.
Stephanie, the food, please.
Oh, tumabos. Oh, lobat na mouse ko. Man. Wala pang ano. Where are we? 4?
Yes, 4.
Yan. Ooh, we can do it.
Song.
Kung saan.
Spread the word.
May 5 na, Stephanie.
Everyone. Please, yay!
What?
Yes.
This is the first time I'm hearing this. You never told me.
Ready.
Yeah. What can I do?
I thought you were joking.
Ay, number 6.
Hey. The heck? Bigit. May ano ba? Salayin mo. Joke lang.
Sige.
May balay. Still sayang. Don't do this. Wow!
Yun, 19 lang yung ano mo.
Hello. Ito nga na yun.
Hey there. Hey, 4, huh? Hope you guys can still go
20 ka na.
I know.
Laser pen.
Oh, never mind.
Saan?
Actually, I did pay the
Bumili ka ng laser pen.
Yeah, pero nasaan? Nawawala.
Ito, oh.
Ayun. Last of all. Wow!
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 Oh, wait.
Pag nalagay ko sa mata mo. Ano nangyari pag na... where's it?
try and fix whatever
I can't see. Where's the door? Help. You can't find the door.
Na yung cat.
Around the cafe, going into staff rooms and taking things. Sometimes my uniform and I work like
What is this? Oh, nagtatype ako. Ang sabi? Drink cold void mocha. Oh, open na. You.
Yung water bottle sa likod. French medium. Security guard natin.
Oh, ano yun? Tek? Ba't tayo sumabog? May nasirang base?
Tingnan mo yung pusa
Where?
Sa bintana.
Ayun.
Ayun.
What do you do?
Ayun.
Yeah, what do you do?
Spray mo ng tubig, dali.
Okay. So far now.
Dito na.
Tumatagos yung ano, galing. Tumatagos pala
Number
eh.
2.
Sorry na yan.
Tutok sa pintuan. Yan. He's naked.
Who are you?
Sir.
Account deleted.
Sir, we need you to be...
Small bread.
Yan na yung 2. Bigay ko na yung 2 chest. Yun nga.
Free!
Same na lang.
Aircon!
Wait.
Ang init.
Sorry.
Ang init.
Are guys dead? No. Okay.
Gagoy!
Yan siya. What is this? Yan. Wala pala akong music. Nakapatay. Large cinnamon. Yeah, yes sir. I'd like to take I'll take your order. Second floor tayo.
Yes.
Akit ka dun.
There's nothing there. Oh, naiiwan yung light sa taas. Ayun. Yun lang. I can't grab the pipe. No. Wait. Don't do this. Don't do
Oo,
this.
nag-overflow na.
No! May naman.
Test
Wait.
lang.
Wait.
Guard.
Wait, bakit? Why? Ba't masama tingin mo? Gabi na.
Do you have another customer?
Yan na yung 5, oh.
May isa pa. What the heck? Kaibigan si ano to? Si Dono?
Si Dono yan, si Dono.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yung friends natin, customers natin.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yun na.
The ghost.
Nice.
Takbo lang, takbo.
Good to me.
Wait, what the heck? Steph,
Oh,
yung ano, tawag dito? Tawag dito? Si Rafael.
Oh, kailangan na yung 6 floors.
Meron pa isang order. And may isa pang customer. Yung pusa.
oh, pusa.
Pusa, where?
What do we do?
May customer pala.
Oh. Stephanie!
Bruh.
What?
Stand down. Tumagos siya. Naiipit yung paa niya sa ano. Yeah, you can't get him. Furniture na siya.
Yung haba ng kamay ko.
Furniture na siya.
Gago.
Artistic
Hello?
furniture na siya. Oh well. Diyan na yan.
Shit! What the heck? Ang ganda.
Nang?
Yung doon, sa, ang tawag dito? Dito sa Love and Deep Space, nakuha ko yung parang skin ni,
What?
ni Raphael. Doon sa Love and Deep Space, nakuha ko yung parang skin ni Raphael. Yung, anong skin nga ba to? Teka, tinan ko nga.
Wow!
Yung parang,
Sira na.
yung Deep Sea Riches, yung parang naka-ano ko siya, naka-black na cloak.
Purple.
Yung wait lang.
Hey, you guys made it to Friday. I'm looking at the statistics.
Maybe I
You've been
tried
really
to
so far.
call
You're
you
happy and you even
out
decorated the place
loud,
a little. You
but
might be qualified for the job after all. Keep it up for the rest of the week and you'll be done with the training.
try to
Anyway, about the
call
gift.
you
Pusa.
We have a little
out
problem.
loud,
You might want to hold off on opening the door.
and then back.
I was checking the security footage this morning, and apparently the AC had leaked a lot of water overnight.
Gana na magkala.
The entire first floor is now soaked. Don't worry, I got some technicians to come and fix it. I'm busy today with some other project, so you'll have to deal with the wet floor for the whole shift.
No! Oh, ano to?
Fall a few times, and some things might slide away throughout them.
Guys, look.
We
Bakit yung mouse nakakonect sa monitor?
And I also have a hard time getting to the counter, so just be patient with that.
Oh no, bakit yung machine alarm? Sana yung Coke machine.
That's coffee. And yeah, that's all there is. Better not waste any
30
more
pesos
time.
lang yan. Pero.
Let's go ahead and open those doors. Because we have a lot of customers dying to try our coffee. Just remember not to slip and fall. See ya!
The heck is that?
Basta yung floor ah.
What?
Where's my pipe?
Here.
Ba't parang umiinit?
Large French.
Nawawala yung dulas ba't tumatalon kayo?
Wala yung dulas.
Is
Iyo.
Nalalag ako. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, nadi-disconnect yung mouse ko. Kaya pa.
Nasa stuck sila sa pintuan. Oh, sorry.
computer.
Yep, got it.
Oh!
Wait.
Uy, lumipad yung gatas. Saan napunta?
Ayun.
Excuse me. Wag gumalaw.
Galaw.
Okay.
Ito ay number 2.
Quazo, please, Quazo.
Kung. Ano yung nag-green?
Ano yun?
Two, please. Oh, my thing. Okay. Large.
Naiipit talaga sila sa pinto.
So, ano to? Yung sa table. Sa flat.
Yes.
See?
Did or no, you committed murder?
It was in self-defense, sir. I was protecting my safety with a 12-gauge shot. Is that a bomb?
May three lang.
Oo, ayun, nahulog.
Can I take a swim? Wait lang. I just take a swim. I'm allergic to the water. Yo, bakit kulay-green siya? Is there some?
Keki and also
Hello, you want small? Chocolate. Clouded strawberry.
strawberry is gone. Where is
No,
strawberry?
yung cake. Ayun yung cake.
No, oh no.
Is
Ayun.
strawberry? Ayun.
Dahil, may sticky note dito. Hello.
Uh-oh. Yung 4. What? Oh, yung 4 talaga.
What is your medium French strawberry? Is that a lavender? Ay, hindi. Cake. With egg.
Number 4 yan.
Biscuit. Nope. Number 6.
Yes.
Oh, hindi ako. Oh. Where is my pipe? My pipe is missing. May pipe. Is
Check mo ba yung pusa?
Yes. Yung pipe is nung wala.
Naglalag ako sa panipastop nung ano, yung alarm, yung milk.
Ah,
Naglalag ako.
Hello!
ito pala nagre-ring.
Dashi. Guys, I'm using the pipe.
May 5 na Stephanie.
Wala pa.
The pipe is
Okay, ayun wala tawag mo. Okay.
The pipe is nowhere to be seen. I think that's why.
Baka andyan somewhere.
Oh no.
Ayun na yung 5.
It's a bunny girl. Bunny girl. No, it's a bunny dude. Hello.
Ito na yung 6.
Gosh, ang
Talagan.
Umiikot sila bago.
Yung 6 ah.
Ayun. Nasa likod ng...
So, ito yung 7.
What's up?
Oh. Tapos. Taking order. Large cinnamon. Cloud. Strawberry. Biscuit. Baguette. Oh wait, no. Croissant.
70s food.
Hello, can I have one cheeseburger with 2 large fries?
Jollibee po kayo.
Please. 1 cheeseburger and 2 large fries. Please.
Lord.
Hindi po sa Jollibee po, sa kabilang kanto.
I hate you.
What?
Jollibee. Pina ang saya. Dito tayo.
I hate you.
Uy, nakabot pa tayo kota? Nakabot tayo kota eh.
Okay, when do we... Are we close?
Yeah.
Hindi, meron pa isa. Ayun no?
Yun nga.
Oh. Okay. Wow, tiro, umiikot sila. Do a twirl. Oh, wala yun. Sayang.
Di pa rin itong maalis-alis.
Oh, sabi nga, it's an artistic furniture. Yeah, okay.
41.
Hey, thanks. Ba't sa'yo 15 lang? Or 152 sa'yo?
Uy,
Oh.
What?
Breaking news.
I have news reporter news.
Earthquake? Hello?
Urgent news.
Earthquake?
We have received an earthquake warning that will affect various populated locations. The most notable being the Library Cafe, a famous spot known to open even during extreme conditions. The government advises all citizens to stay indoors until further announcement. The government is also attempting to contact the staff running the Library Cafe, advising them to close down the establishment for the day.
hindi pwede.
However, they have yet to
Hindi
receive
pwede.
a response.
Hindi pwede tayo mag-close.
Currently at the Library Cafe before its open hours.
Bakit parang siya nagsasalitang paiko?
Earthquake is the strongest. Scientists predict the magnitude of the earthquake here is strong
Uy,
enough to
ano yan?
people into the age.
Uy, ako.
Uy, gago.
Bob, my head.
Hey. You guys did great on Friday. Great job. Now, as you noticed, you guys will have to also do a weekend shift if you want to complete your training. It's always
What?
Wala to Stephanie kasi nag-revive tayo eh.
It's important for our staff to be reliable even on the most busiest of days.
Namatay kayo?
I'm sure you heard the news about the earthquake
No.
or whatever. All these
time.
exaggerate their stories. Always trying to get a viral story. Listen, you don't have to worry about a thing. The cafe structure is really strong. It won't be damaged no matter how much it shakes. I mean, you might have some items flying all over the place here and there.
Oh, yun lang. Lilipat yung mga items na.
Put them back. No problem. So, today is gonna be a little funky. I'm sure you guys will handle it flawless. And, if you get any
How do you do that?
unknown people,
What?
make sure not to read them.
Ano yun?
Confidential emails. Yeah, they're really secret. I'd have to silence you.
Ah, I see.
So, just keep that in mind. Good luck.
Huwag niyo basahin yung emails, ha?
Basahin yung emails?
Okay. Reverse psychology. Oh, yun. Nanginginig na.
Can I shake it in? It's, what would you want? What do you need?
Large French.
Please?
Onegaishimasu.
Oh, here we go.
Ayan na ang art kaki.
Going,
Gago.
it's not that bad. Where did the pointer go? Oh, there it is.
Oo, totok.
Wow.
Everything is... Why?
Pwede ba take the order na to? Thanks.
Natakot ka.
No, it's funny.
Oh. Ayan na ang art kaki.
Parang tayo lang.
Oh, shit. Yung mga baso. Yung mga baso. Oh, yung computer, Les. Yung computer.
Oh, what happened? We're good.
Oh, my legend.
Oh, yung kape.
Yo! We need to rewash the glasses. There's too many.
Oh,
Tawag ko na raw.
What are we shaking? I just put them away.
Strawberry! Isa mo yung strawberry.
Huh?
Asa yung tree?
23.
Tree is chocolate.
23 ah.
But take order.
Go.
Whee! Grabe, dalawa na nasa second.
Ako na mag-earth ko eh.
Asa yung chocolate?
In the bin.
Nahulog. Ayan ah.
Earthquake ulit.
But just
After
Si
shock.
Les. Oh, si Les.
no, that's not me. That's not me, is it? Ba't may tawa?
Oh, pusa. Ayun sa stairs. Eh, ano ba to?
Yeah. Wala siya na wala.
Korean.
Korean ah. Oo.
Madadumi na yung baso natin.
Ano?
Tatapon na natin.
Also, please.
Maybe I try to call you offline. Bad habit.
I use a village.
What?
Yung ano. Sino? I was a village.
I was a girl in the village doing alright.
Alright, I'm doing right.
So much and
So much to learn and see.
up in the castle
Guard!
with your family. Ha? Ano meron? Oh, shit.
Oy!
Wait, nasa yung fight? Wait. Nasaan na? Ayun. Patay na? Tingis natin. Nasaan yung pipe ko? Yung pipe ko nawawala. Where is he? Go, Pong.
Oh no! Sino yung maagang kumuha nun?
Ayan na yung 6. Ayan na yung topics. Sorry, nag-ano ako eh.
Where's that?
Oh, your ghost! Ghost!
Where? Oh, yeah.
Ah,
That is not me. It passes through walls. Nasa na ang aking pipe?
Lagay mo yung toppings niyan.
It's a mess.
Number
It's a
6.
mess.
Oh.
Milk. You need milk.
Asan yung milk?
Here.
Here, please. Here.
Oh. Hey.
Daming baso! Ah!
Makulang pa yan.
Oh shit, maling order.
Ang galing.
Oh! Excuse me. Ito na. Okay, yan ay.
Capitalism.
Damn. Tay, may nasusunog.
Okay, saan?
Sunog!
Yeah.
Oh!
War!
It's not doing anything.
Wala tayong fire extinguisher.
Oh. What do we do then?
Sabi,
Nasasaktan tayo.
Oh, wala na. Yay.
Ang kalat
Ang
naman.
earthquake. Isang araw na pag-earthquake.
Not even that bad. Ah, ayaw na. Ano ba dyan?
Oh,
Let's look.
Which? Yeah, how?
Jingo.
How? Wala akong spray. Adieu.
breaking news!
Good morning. I am news reporter News. We interrupt this program to report the sudden closure of the Hybrid Cafe. The Hybrid Cafe, known to never close down, even in the most extreme circumstances, is announcing that the establishment
Upgrades. I see.
wasn't clearly stated and citizens speculated as due to the damage from the earthquake. However, fans have pointed out that the Hybrid Cafe has experienced countless earthquakes in its lifetime and have never considered closing the establishment. Nevertheless, citizens are saddened by the announcement. While some are speculating something sinister is happening in the Hybrid Cafe, either way, we can all agree that the future isn't something to see every day. Now, back to the program.
Ay! Napatay ko. Pag napatay ko pa sa akin, napatay din sa inyo or na.
I guess, depende ko ilang player.
Ano?
What are you guys doing?
Void zombies?
Yeah?
Oh,
May nakita ko kanina eh. Kulay-kulay yung katawan. Hindi ako sa naman.
oh shit, grabe.
Oh, grabe.
Guys, napatay ko yung TV, di ko alam.
Upgrades. Wala, upgrades na tayo.
You raise me
Void,
up.
I think coffee, ay, kaya order computer speed or AC.
Scoop.
Computer speed or yung foam. Ay, hindi kaya. Huwag yung alarm. Computer speed, AC strength. Or lucky cut.
Lucky cut na lang.
Be good.
To fly.
The cat!
Lucky
So
cut.
cute.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, yung laser point!
Yung portal.
Nasaan?
Oh, shit!
Portal.
Grab! Ah! Paano yun? Nanakawan tayo. Uy, yun. Grab. F, please.
Hello.
Yung mga gamit, lagay nyo dito sa loob ng staff. Mas madali pa ko.
Hindi ko mag-grab.
Yung. Ba't nasira to?
Computer speed.
Computer.
No!
That's it. Wala na. Oh, ghost.
Oh, ghost!
Hinabol siya.
Nahabol ako!
Ay, doon na talaga. Wala na. Tara. Kala ko butterfly. Yo, like. You won't be your French.
It's was a good.
Oh.
Oh, the chocolate!
I got it.
The chocolate!
Saan talalagay?
Here. Nag-lag ako.
Or sa kabila? Sa kabila nga.
Sa creams.
Para saan tong milk?
Back.
Hindi. What is that? I don't know.
Is the donut good?
Shimay.
Wait lang, kailangan kasi dulo siya eh.
May cut. Yun.
Nasa staff room.
Oh no, wala na tayong pera!
No, nasa ayun.
Nasa staff room.
No! Nakakawa na
Holy shit!
Oh! No!
Lumipad yung mga ano eh.
Putang.
Naghugot tayo. Lumipad!
Sorry. Where did it go?
Wala na tayong kagawa.
Nasaan yung ano? Nawala yung spray.
Walang
Wala
gagalaw.
Nahanap ko na yung spray.
Is that too, good? No.
Number 4 to.
What is this? Ba't may donut dito?
Isa pang Stephanie, cone.
Okay.
Ha? Ano ba yan? Number 3?
3.
Okay, sir. What do you want? Look at this mug fly.
Oh, the milk! The milk!
Ha?
Stephanie, okay na yung koso.
Saan nalagay ito milk? Hindi pala yun yun.
Diyan.
Kape ko. Yung kape ko. Ayun. Number na yan.
4 yun. Ito 5.
Ito yung 5.
Cake, please.
Ayun.
Is the cake good?
Wait lang. Wait lang, oh my god.
Cake, please.
Shit, di pwede yan.
Dami yung baso.
Lumipad yung cake!
Wait, saan?
Oh shit, ito tayo sa pancake. Ito sa pancake.
Oh.
Aircon.
Oh, yung AC.
5 yan na 5. Cone and costo, please.
6. Cupcake.
Yes. Six good. Can you 6? Okay. 7. Ito.
Lumipad yung cupcake. Lumipad na!
No!
Isa natin. Pagalitan tayo.
Okay yung
Oh,
6
shit, lumipad na naman. Lumipat na naman! Sorry, ewan ko nga yung... Down. Croissant! Yung croissant!
Here's the croissant. Here's the croissant.
Alis yung cake.
Yung cupcake.
Ah,
Yung croissant, saan? Oh, shit. Ah!
wag yung ipatama sa ano.
Wait. Lumilipad na bake.
Hindi kasama yung cake.
Eh.
Ang ina!
Wag.
Saan na yung Erin?
No.
Ay na!
Ito yung 7. Dalawang donut. Wag mo ipatama sa...
Aray ko.
Oh, may bagit dito.
Seven is good. Alam ko may chocolate akong inano dito eh. Saan kayo napunta yun? Chocolate, chocolate. No chocolate.
Nalumilipat?
Yeah.
Wala, yung upuan lang.
Kulang tayo sa quota.
Oh,
Easy.
no.
This one.
Kulang tayo.
Yeah, patay tayo.
Wait, may isa pa ba?
Wala na. Oh, no.
Last day na saan?
Oh, why what's gonna happen?
May fight naman. Pasok ka, Steph. Yes.
Oh. Wait. Oh.
May revive naman isa. Tag isa.
Hey there. Seems like you guys were yesterday, huh? Oh well. Everyone makes mistakes, right? Hey.
Gamitin mo ngayon, Stephen.
Wala nang bala.
Wala na nga.
You wanna go? Oh, okay, I'm dead.
Walang mag-leave.
Wala.
Ano height niya dito?
5?
5.
Oh. Oh, wow.
May game na guys na.
Meron.
Meron.
Hello.
Yay!
Sila nagpindot siguro.
Hi.
Hey! Seems like you guys made it through training week. I mean, it's not like I expected you to fail. You guys did really well yesterday. Even with those interesting customers. You guys managed to rack up enough profit. So congratulations. I'm really proud of you.
Gusto nyo ba bumili ng amo?
Anyway, now that you guys are full-time racers, I've got nothing else to do. In fact, you could probably keep it
Amo?
since you guys are
Tama? Para saan?
corporate actually has
Wait. Huwag muna.
they're promoting you to permanent baristas.
Yeah.
Yay!
Permanent.
You're 24/7.
24/7.
Nag-shout ako.
No breaks.
I'm gonna
Day off.
lose it.
You know, only one other person had this position before. She called me for my training.
No. No. No.
Until you're of course. Well, what are you
I'm
waiting
useless
for?
now.
Go ahead and open the cafe. I'll see you around.
Amo? Hindi muna.
Sige, paano na trip niyo?
Para saan? Wala naman ba? Wala naman ba rin? Oh, next time.
Okay, let's go! 24/7!
Yippee! Ilan ba quota natin? 8 pa rin quota natin.
108. Oh.
80.
Our people.
Medium building.
Wait, what the heck is that? Oh, it's the chair. God.
Oh, shit.
Why?
Nadulas ako. Nadulas ako.
Aircon.
Oh shit.
Walang gagalaw.
Di ka na? Wow! It's Kakashi. Or mas kamukha niya sa Sonic. Ah, hindi. Silver pala. French.
One time lang pala yung free revive.
Oh,
Bago pa lang. Bali si Les na lang ata yung may free revive.
No, ako nagpindot.
Yun na.
Meron na pala.
Pero naglagay ako eh.
Wala akong sinabi.
Automatic na yan.
Saan kasi namatay?
No. Computer.
Oh shit. Got it. I think I see you. Yes. Wait, nasan yung pipe ko? Ew. Give me... Oh. Can I get one?
Yay.
You sir, did you pay? You. Oh.
Strawberry.
Tunay ba?
Oh, shit.
Lata.
Nakat.
I know. Got it.
Nice.
Ang ganda naman ng spray nito. Mga tagos. Pader. Ghost walls! Ayaw niya talaga umalis. Sir, can you get out of the wall, floor, please? Stop, no creeping to the floor. Wala na, nandito na ako.
French.
Sir, a bit hot today, and sir, let me just cool you off. Oh, may kalaban. Sir, would you like to speak to the manager called? His name is Pipe. Good talk. Where's the spray? Oh, kinuha ko. Wish ko yung
Oh.
bottle. May spring bottle.
Posa, 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 posa.
Not, not going away. Are you happy today, ma'am? Here you go. This is local moisturizer. Tap water.
Okay tayo sa phone natin.
Tapos na quota. Wow!
Okay.
So, pag nagkamali pa ng isang beses, wala na. Or done.
Oo, ganun.
Damn. Oh, it's a cat. Cat girl. Nippy!
Stinky. Stinky. Stinky.
Oh! Took a bad day.
Think a little baby.
Will you come with us? Sir, come with us, sir. No! Bang, 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 bang. 69.
69.
Nice.
What do we buy?
And look!
Cat bomb.
Weapon. Oh, that's cool. Hello. Wow. I don't know. Decoration.
Oh, this is the decorations.
Let's close
Ay,
the decoration.
Yung extinguisher, oh.
Oh, so weapon. Water gun, cluster gun. Saan yung extinguisher?
Decor.
Decoration. Bilhin ko, ah.
Ah, okay, go. Wait lang.
Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Hindi mo yan nabas.
Kami ano, kaya saan tawag dito?
Hindi ba ng water gun?
Sige, sige, sige. Water gun mo si Les.
What did that do?
Sakat, siguro.
Put your hands up. I don't know the range. May recoil yung fire extinguisher.
Oh, you are recoil, yeah.
What?
Oh,
Did I try?
ilang. Wow!
Inopen nyo na, naglalag ako.
Oh, sorry. Right. We need time to reach for this done. Oh, may limit. There's a limit. Yung limit is yung bumbong. Oh. Oh no, no. Excuse you. Where's the cat? The cat do. Oh. What are you? Oh.
Mainit.
Boy, you.
Ano naman?
Hey, look,
nangyari?
I got
Wow!
Les! Ah!
Tatakbo ako eh. We lost $10.
Oh no.
Wait, Les! Do see that la.
Huh?
Tignan mo dito. Tignan mo sa computer.
Oh, that's me. Other account. Oh, it's Arnie.
Oh!
Yo! This is my buddy. Yan yung kasama ko mag-jogging bukas.
Okay na yung water. Oh, okay.
Oh.
So yung toothpaste.
Hey,
Ah,
cat.
yung cat.
Got it. Get sniped.
think endless na to.
This is endless?
Endless na.
I'm looking for this guy.
Number 2. Order number 2, please. Or whoever you want. Strawberry.
Sino yun? Kumukha. May kumukha. Oh, okay. Ikaw ba to? Ice cream.
Ano, name?
Daniel Dobroga.
Yun.
Yo,
4 na.
tulog na to eh.
Meron na.
Tulog na rin ako.
Five.
Wala pa.
Wow.
Ah. IT
Oh,
guy.
sorry.
Sitter, please.
Literal IT na talaga.
I got this. Yes.
Trabaho.
I push cats on my computer to fix my bugs. No, catch. What the heck is that? What the hell is that? Look at that.
It's a customer.
That's a homunculus. Nasaan yung chair? I'm sitting on the... Oh, never mind. No!
Oh,
Magpapalaw.
Kahit mag-turn bawal.
I think.
I wanna sit. Dang it. Lang. Sorry guys, can't work today. May ka-day daw. Oh, what's wrong?
May chance na hindi tayo babot ang quota.
No. That guy's rich, don't worry. Right, babe? Oh, wala na siya. Hey! Umabot. Gibo. She's rich.
What if? Ah. Yung gagawin ko eh.
Ciao. Bang! Ay, wala. Bang! Wow, wait.
Okay, that's my last game na. Alis na ako.
Nasave ba
Kasi
to?
endless na.
Ah. Great.
Okay guys, bye-bye.
GG.
Endless na kasi. Wala na yung mat. Ah,
Okay. Wala na pera.
80 pesos.
No, di mo No.
Bye.
Hey, Inidoro.
Where's my ammo? Hello.
Inidoro. Inidoro!
Wow, look at this. Oh, wala na ba?
Ah! Yes.
Yo.
Inidoro dito.
Don't use that here. Bakit ako nahulog? Help. What are you guys doing? Open doors. I wanna be free.
Dali. Dali, kasi ka may pinto.
Hindi ako kasya?
Yeah.
Nakahawakan niyo ba yung toilet?
Hindi. Hindi ka talaga kasi sa pinto kanina.
Oh, perfect. No, not the toilet. Please.
Dapat dito sa labas.
Bye. See you. Oh, what?
Oh!
Oh, tinutulak ng extinguisher yung Okay. That's why.
Huwag ka lang mag...
Sayonara. I'm in the ocean.
Saka na.
Yung toilet nasa tubig.
Wala, yung AC.
Oh no. Hindi ko makuha kasi
Ano?
ako.
Yung toilet natin. Gago. Wow!
Bye. Got you.
Bye-bye.
Salamat sa bibig. Oh, patay din ako.
Patay din ako.
Ay. Oh, look, a ghost.
You
Dog. Stab it. I can fix that. I can fix this. Nope. Too much sick. It's shot. It's too hot. Help. This is not a corner.
Aba mo yung toilet.
No. It's not the toilet. A corner means family. Means nothing beats the
Saving the toilet. Dali, ito na.
50 pounds off per person.
That's
That's not
Yeah!
oh.
Nabalik yung toilet.
Oh.
Ay, hindi namatay. Holy shit, Les, ikaw to.
No.
Eh, you know, Office IT, RIP. Kasi yung IT na kami.
Saan?
Dito sa likod. Coconut nut.
Is not what is this?
One.
Sa likod nga. Wala kang sana.
Right side. Nasa ka?
Hindi naman to likod eh.
Na lines? Let me just get your orders there.
Oh,
Okay, tinatayog niya pa pala order niya kaya nakapakabagal.
oh my god, Starbucks a loyal customer today.
Oh no, nasaan yung toilet?
Andiyan na.
Here!
Ay, kanina.
Did flew away.
Ay, oo! Ito sa tubig, oh.
Nakamatay yung tubig.
Ayan.
Oh? Ay, nawala yung
Naka-island lang pala tayo.
nawala yung ano ko. Yung hawak ko kanina.
Nice na extinguisher mo.
No, I got this. I'll fly. You will see me fly today. I will make it happen. Whoa.
Sige. Guys, alis na ako. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, lilipad ako.
Wala na ako eh.
Oh. Shame.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Ah! My God. Gising pa ako ng 504. Shit.
Let us go now.